How to become an admin of any WhatsApp group. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can become an admin of any WhatsApp group. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to become an admin of any WhatsApp group, there are certain requirements given by the WhatsApp. So if you click on your WhatsApp group, there is no such feature on how you can become the admin group if you are not the admin group by yourself. So what can you do? So to become an admin of a WhatsApp group, you must be invited by an existing admin. So for that, you may just contact the existing admin to invite you and add you as a admin. So for that, the existing admin should open the WhatsApp group chat. After that, tap on the group subject, tap on more options, and tap on group info. After that, she should hold a member, which is you, to make you and group admin, and tap on make group admin. And if you want to rejoin a group, you can ask an existing admin to make you an admin again. You can also contact an admin by tapping the group info, then tapping the name of the admin you want to message. Fortunately, WhatsApp group can have an unlimited number of admins, so the group creator can't be removed unless they can't exit the group. So therefore, follow these methods and you should become the admin of a WhatsApp group very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.